Hi everybody and welcome to Newman and Reedy. Here we have the most beautiful Kawasaki H2C 750 triple 1975 on the N, just 4,500 miles since a complete nut and bolt rebuild. The bike wants for nothing. It is absolutely stunning. Starts, first kick, powerful, engine is tight, everything about this bike is right. Lovely colour. Just look at the details on the wheels and the hubs, just absolutely stunning. This is like it would have been in 1976, probably actually better. Unblemished chrome work, stunning aluminium, modern tyres, just so you can get what little handling out of there you can get. Stamped original exhaust, beautiful, beautiful bike. Here we go, 4,546 miles since it's rebuilt, which was about 8 years ago. So it has been used, but obviously lovingly cared for whilst it has been used. Never seen the rain since the day it was rebuilt. And it probably is the best example for sale in the UK right now. Give us a call if you would like to have a look at this. Prices are only going one way. Bet the money in the bank and a lot more fun. Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.